All right, guys, you're welcome to Stock Projects channel, your number one stock updates platform where you get the latest gist on stock updates. You stay updated on stock trend updates and future stock to watch out for. All right, if you're new to the channel, just stay. If you're new to the channel, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out of our future update on stocks. Looking at the chart for the last 24 hours, we see that a lot of major stock exchange platforms in the world or globally, they are going on the red in the last 24 hours. They're on the red. The Dow Jones, it's on the red. The S&P 500 is on the red. The Nasdaq is on the red. The small cap 2000 is on the red. S&P 500 fix, that's on a green. Then you have this S&P TSX, and you also have the DAX. You have the FTSE. Most of the trading platforms, most of the stock exchange globally, they are on the red, and you can see that for yourself. A lot of them globally are on the red. But for China, that's the Shanghai, they are on the green. That's good. That's a great news. The Chinese stock exchange, that's the Shanghai. They're on the green. And then you look at the Kospi, it's also on the green. The Nifty, it's on the green. The BSC Sensex is on the green. So that's how it's been for the stock exchange market globally in the last 24 hours. And going forward, if we are to look at okay, let's leave the watch list and look at possibly the indices or the stocks. Let's look at the stocks. Okay, we see major stocks in the United States. We have Nvidia. Nvidia went on appeared to be on the green. Okay, Nvidia appeared to be on the green. Tesla went on the red. This is Nvidia. This is Tesla. Tesla went on the red in the last 24 hours. You have the AMD. AMD went on the red. You have the Apple, the Apple, the Microsoft. It appeared it wasn't really a very good time. You have the Meta platforms on the green. You have the Supermicro computer on the green. You have top gainers. You see top gainers, Axon Enterprise, Kroger, Nvidia. These are top gainers for the last 24 hours. And you have the top losers. The Deckers Outdoor, the SBA Communication, the Extra Space Storage, they are Hudson and Invesco. Those are the top losers. So looking at this, will we possibly see the Axon Enterprise, the Kroger, and the Nvidia on a continuous gaining? Only time will tell. That's just about the 24 hours chart for the United States. Let's look at the other popular market in the world. We have the United Kingdom. We have the active stock, Toyota Motors, the Shell Toyota Motors. We have the Shell. We have SHBS. We have the Rolls-Royce Holdings. We have the BP. These are the very active stocks in the United Kingdom, active stocks for the last 24 hours. And then you have top gainers, you have the SAF Holland, you have the MFE Media for Europe, you have the Frontline, you have Saipem. That's good. You have the GoBet. These are the top gainers, and the gaining for the South Holland really gained so much. It appreciated by 186%. That's a great one. Saipem appreciated at 115. It appeared the top gainers in UK really did a lot of appreciation. They really had good and positive appreciation. You have the top losers. You have the Wirecard, you have the Casino, you have the Rail, these are the top losers for the UK platforms. All right, let's go ahead and look at some other popular markets like for the Japanese. We have the Sokun. These are the active stocks for the Japanese stock exchange. You have the Tokyo Electric Power, you have the Disco, you have the Mutsu Engineering, you have Tokyo Electron, Toyota Motors, Mitsubishi. And then looking at the top gainers in Japanese exchange, you have the Dual Tap, the Arisa Goa, you have the Home Position, and so on. And then the top losers you have for the top gainers in Japan, it wasn't really as juicy as that of the UK. The appreciation in the UK stock exchange was really, really, really great. And then here the top losers. You have the Samantha, you have the Jamato, you have the Cave, you have the Prodrit. So that's what we have over there. And going forward, let's look at some other countries like the Germany. You have the Germany. These are the active trades in Germany. In Germany, the stock exchange in Germany. And then looking at the top gainers. The top gainers too in Germany they performed extremely well. The topmost gainer made over 200% increase, 200% gains. That's a wonderful one, and it appears the top gainer in the Japanese in the German stock exchange. Outran even that of the United Kingdom. That's a great deal. That's a great deal. That's a good. So that's what you have for the top gainers, and then here are the top losers. You have the Axcap Ventures, you have the Zyxux, and so many. Even the supermarket, the whole lot of things you look at here, and it's really a great one. It's really a great one. It's really a great one. Let's look at the fringe. Let's look at the fringe markets. You have the Total Energy appreciated by 0.91%. And you have the Society Generally, that's the SG, it appreciated by 0.80. These are the active stocks in the last 24 hours. Active stock in the last 24 hours. And you have the top gainers. The top gainers, you have the Biofitis, they made 170% gain. You have the Wicked Groups, you have the Adomus, Europlasms, SA, and all the rest. So these are the top gainers in that market. These are the top gainers in that market. And then you have the top losers. The top losers, Intrasense, the Robitate, and all the rest. So you look at these are the top losers in the Japanese stock exchange. Those are the stock losers in the Japanese stock exchange. Let's look at the Australia. I think that may be the last for today. We're looking at the Australian stock exchange. In the Australian stock exchange, these are the active stocks. Oh, these are the active stocks. They want to go to that. Okay. These are the active stocks. The active stocks. All right. The computer share, the NSZ holdings, and for the top gainers, you have the Krakatoa resources. The Krakatoa resources. Okay. So yeah, they made some real appreciation. I've seen the top gainer making over 125% gain. That's a good one. That's a good one. These are companies and stocks to watch out for globally. You have the orange minerals gaining 50%. That's a great one. That's a great one. These are the top losers in that market. These are the top losers in that market. The Conical Limited, the Isene Gold, the Red Mountain Minings, the Advanced Metal, and the Boston Global Food Company Limited. So these are the top losers in that economy. So that's all we have for you today. If you have any comments, you can reach us in our comment section. You have a question, you have a concern, reach us. And mind you, you're using the investing app. You're using the investing app. It's been a very nice app for for stock analysts. There are so many others out there, but I just find it fun making use of this investment app. So thank you so much for being part of our show today. Do well to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Do well to subscribe. Do well to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Thank you so much for watching. On major stocks that are trending, and from new stock to Telsa stock, and to several other cryptocurrency updates. Today, if you're new to the channel, I'll encourage you to subscribe so that you don't miss out of our future updates. And all right, going straight to what we have for you today. We're looking at new stock. We're looking at new stock. That's what we're looking at. And the app we're actually using to review the new stock is the investing app. When you look at the new stock today, eh, I think I'm going back to, okay, let's look at new stock today on the New York. We're looking at new stock today on the New York Stock Exchange. It appears to be going on a bullish note. It appears to be going on a bullish note. When you look at the current price today, which is uh, $4.59, you see that it appears to be going on a bullish note. Though we know as at yesterday, it had early hours of yesterday, it was at 4.64 at the early hours of yesterday. So, but going forward today, it the current price is $4.59. And then when you look at it within the last 24 hours, it has fluctuated between $4.54 to $4.69. And so what does that tell us? The volume of new stock sold within the last one day, it's about $30 million, $30.30 million. That's the volume, average volume. That's the average volume. So when you look at these are the key statistics. These are the key statistics. The key statistics for new in the last one day, in the last 24 hours, is $4.54 to $4.69. So we won't really take so much. It has not it has not dropped. It has not dropped so much. But when you look at the 52 weeks range, which is the last one here, you see it has really been between $4.36 to 16.18. So there's no major change. There's no major change. But currently, it appears it's going to be on a bull. It appears going to be on a bull. When you look at the 1 week change, you see that it appears to be on the bull. Looking at April 28th, at this point, you see that it had gone down below $4.40, and currently it's on a $4.59. So it has really appreciated. It has really appreciated, though the appreciation has not really been so much of significant value. Looking at the 1 month, yeah, when you look at it in the 1 month range, it appears it has gone down. But when you look at it in weeks, you see that it's really trying to pick up. It's trying to pick up. Then looking at it also in the 1 day, it appears to be picking up in the last 1 day, and in the last couple of days, it has been picking up. So these are the key statistics for NEO. These are the key statistics for NEO. When we look at the news currently, no special news about NEO, apart from the ones you see in the April charts. Apart from the one you see on April chart. So that's all we have for you today concerning NEO stock. Thank you for watching. If you're new to our channel, we encourage you to subscribe so that you